Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a 3D bolt. Okay, I will create a new 3D projects, and in here I will change name into 3D bolt. You can click create, and we're waiting for creating a project. In here we have this default models, and I will delete. Yes. Next, we can create a new model. So you can click 3D shape and then click shape in here. Okay, I will set for a number of edge in here into 6, and then I will change for height into 60. You can click OK to apply. I will create a can object. Okay, you can click 3D shape again and then click a can. For a can radius, I will set into 90, and then for height into 100. And you can set for a segment in horizontal and vertical into 64. You can click OK to apply. Okay, now we can move this can object into top of these models. You can use a move command, and then you can active in here a magnet option. Okay, I will click at this point and move to the top here. Okay, it will be moved to the top. Now you can move this object in the axis in here into 39. Okay, this 39, and you can close. Next, we can select these two objects. Okay, and we can move these two objects to the top. Okay, we can select only this cone, and you can click in here polygon. Okay, we use a polygon option. I will select this face. You can use extrude command to extrude this face. Okay, I will extrude to the bottom here. And next, we can click OK. We can select these two objects, and I will use intersection to cut this object. You can click in here intersection and click OK to apply. Okay. Now in here I will use rotate command to rotate these models. Okay, I will rotate in blue axis into 180 degree. Okay, we can create a cylinder object. You can click in here a cylinder, and for a top and bottom radius we set into 30, height 35. Okay, for horizontal segment 3, vertical segment 64. Okay, or you can set again in here to 64, and you can click OK to apply. I will move this object into top of this object. You can click move command, and we can use in here magnet option. Okay, click in here and we can move to the top here. Okay, now to create thread into this object. Okay, but first I will move these two objects into coordinate 0, 0, and next we can create thread. You can click 3D shape and then click a screw. Okay, in here we can set radius 30, or you can uncheck hide all objects. Okay, to view here we set this radius into 30. Okay, 30, and pitch 7. You can change in here for pitch, or you can change for segment. Another option, you can click OK if you done, and you can move this object, click move, and we can move to the top here. Okay, now we can select this all object, and we can click stitch and scoop. Use union command to combine this all object. Click OK to apply. Okay, now we already create this simple 3D bolt with SelfCAD software. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial.